I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to turn off Find My iPhone or iPad. This is something you'll have to do before selling, trading in your device, or sending it in for a repair. Step 1. Tap to open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad, and then tap your profile picture and name at the top of this menu. Step 2. Tap Find My in this menu. The Find My screen opens. Step 3. Tap Find My iPhone or iPad. Associated options are displayed. Step 4. Tap to toggle off Find My iPhone or iPad. The next screen prompts you to enter your Apple account password. Step 5. Enter your Apple account password and then tap Turn Off. The Find My iPhone or iPad feature will be disabled on this specific Apple device going forward. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.